Hey guys, good evening. Dito na tayo ngayon sa birthday party ni Sir Mateo Coliselli. Saan nandito sila Sara at iba pang mga celebrities. At guys, masaya yung araw ni Sir Mateo kasi nandito si Sara, special na babae lang sa akin. Kaya tignan natin. Hey guys, we are at this Mateo Coliselli.
Birthday celebrant. Kapatid po namin. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you. First off, thank you. Teka lang, blow muna ako. Hindi, bago mag-blow, first I want to say thank you to... There we go. First, I want to say thank you to Mama, Papa, Ate Georgia, kapatid ko natutulog na, at syempre yung pinakamahal ko sa buhay na isa lang, na wala ng iba, si Sara. Thank you. Thank you. At thank you very much everybody for coming this evening. It means so much. Thank you. Jajani, thank you. Sa lolo ko to. Para sa lolo ko to. Thank you very much. Taas mga baso. Taas mga baso. Para sa lahat. Thank you everybody. Love you very much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. Thank you for everything. Sa June, papasok ako sa military school. Thank you. Cheers. Says Sara Mateo loves you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, love, huh? Scout Rangers lead the way.